this video I'll show you how to sort and array in groups, also known as the Dutch National Flag problem. Problem statement. The input is 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2. And the array can only contain 0, 1, and 2s. The output is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. And that's the sorted version of the input. An algorithm has 3 pointers, low, mid, and high. Low starts at 0, mid starts at 0, and high starts at the very last index in the array. The mid pointer walks through every element, and if the mid points to 0, then you swap the value with low pointer, and because 0 should be on the left side. So, and then you increment low and mid. If mid points to 1, and then increment mid, since 1 is already in the middle, so it doesn't do any swapping or anything. If mid points to 1 again, it just increments mid again. And if mid points to 2, because 2 should be on the right side, swap what mid and high points to. So after swapping, and then decrement high. And then if it sees 0, then it swaps with value in low pointer, and because 0 should be on the left side, so then it swaps, and then it increments mid. Because mid is higher than high, then you return the sorted array. The code has sort, which takes the input of A, which in this case is 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, and has the output of the sorted version of it. It first initializes low to be 0, and then mid to be 0, and then initializes high to be the very last index. It has a while loop until mid is bigger than high, and if A mid is 0, then you swap low and mid value, and then increment low and mid. If A mid is 1, then you increment mid, and if A mid is 2, then you call function swap to swap high and mid, and then decrement mid. The output is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. Function swap takes the input of A, I, and J, I and J being 2 values, and A being the array, and then stores the first value of AI into temp, and AI gets AJ's value, and then AJ gets temp's value, and now AI and AJ are swapped. The end.